We will select all of this and let's see how does it work. So auto shakes, auto reel, auto perfect catch, auto sell. Guys, you can use it without getting banned. It's absolutely free, safe and online. Hey other people, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get Fisch Macro and Fisch Script in same time, guys. You can automatize everything and you can auto AFK, auto farm. You can do whatever you want, guys, without downloading any modded APK or any software that would harm your device. So just follow my steps, guys. You can do it with your Android or your iOS devices and your PC. So guys, it's absolutely free, safe and online, as I said, and you can do it with your these all mentioned devices. So go to Google or any browser you got, guys, and navigate to this website. It's called blocksforge.com and click on Delta Executor. And then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So guys, go to roblox.com, login and go to your profile, copy your profile URL and click this paste button. So let me show you. Go to roblox.com, go to your user profile and copy this. So guys, let's back to the tool, click there to paste and click continue. So guys, it will search for our account and it will find us. As you can see, user found. Nice. So guys, second step is to enter this. I mean to import Delta Executor to our account. So click on, and then we will have to select a pre-installed script, guys. I will select Forge Hub and you should select Forge Hub because this is for Fisch Macro. Click Forge Hub and I will click on name hider, but Forge Hub is most important and you will be ban protected. Don't worry, guys, this is undetectable. And also, if you opt for removing Delta Executor for your account, you can go for options, go to self-destruct Delta Executor, and you will forever remove Delta Executor from your account. Okay, so API is connected. Nice. Our user ID is connected, guys. Our activation key is generated. As you can see, it's ready. So we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and we will get redirected into manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Delta Executor with key onto our account, so we can use our Fisch Macro and Fisch Script absolutely free. So guys, we will have a list of 6 free apps and games and questionnaires. So you will have to download and complete 2 tasks from this list. So only 2 tasks from this list by your choice. For my opinion, the best thing you can do is to download games or download apps. Basically, I will download Dice Dreams and TikTok. So click free, click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS phone, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's really important to follow their instructions. So what will I do now? As I said, I will download Dice Dreams and TikTok and I will follow their instructions. So download and install this app, then run it and restore Kingdom 6. And for TikTok, I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. And that's pretty much it, guys. What will I do now? So see you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. It should redirect us every second. I won't skip this video, so we will wait. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is imported to your account, guys. Our user ID and our Delta Executor key is revealed, as you can see. So the last step is to open our Roblox and to test our Fisch Script. Are we actually receiving Delta Executor and our Fisch Script and our Fisch Macro? So guys, let's open Fisch and let's see, does it actually work? It's the final test. So okay, nice, guys. As you can see, we got our Delta Executor, and now we will test our, as you can see, we will test our Fisch Macro and Fisch Script. So let me find again there, go there, Forge Hub Let's search for it. Click on fish, execute selected script, guys, and as you can see, game detected fish. So now we will test all these fish macro auto farm and all the features, guys. As you can see, we will select all of this and let's see how does it work. So auto shakes, auto reel, auto perfect catch, auto sell. Guys, you can use it without getting banned. It's absolutely free, safe and online, and you can play now with this. So I hope you enjoy, guys, and found this helpful. This is pretty much it for this tutorial. You can use all these amazing features from Fisch script. So that's pretty much it. Once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.